Very good morning. So I am Ganesan. Today, this session we have to discuss about the AI agents and algorithms. So algorithms are the steps to solve any kind of problems. So in general, in computer science field, so algorithms are required to solve a problem. So AI agents are used to solve a different kind of problems with its own creativity, decision making, and some other approach. Okay, in general, there are five different kind of algorithms are there. Uninformed algorithms, then informed algorithms, then complete local search algorithms, environmental algorithms, then partially observable algorithms. So today we have discussed about uninformed algorithms for finding and solving some type of AI problems. Okay, let me start the session with empathy.
So good afternoon everyone. Here I'm going to give an empathy about what are the lackness or a problem that is faced under this UDS, uninformed search algorithm, which has been implemented in the recent AI agents. So let us consider two paths like a source and destination. In this concept, in this uninformed searching algorithm, actually from the initial path source to the destination, which gets traversed. In the implementation of AI. So while traversing, both the paths doesn't have any communication or an interconnection between them. Because if I traverse from a place to another place, I would definitely should have a guidance or a proper knowledge of where I have to be moved further. But in this scenario, both the paths doesn't have any communication or any connection. So it doesn't know if I am going to begin to move or else if I am going to receive anything. Both doesn't have a proper guidance, initial proper guidance. That is the lackness and the highlightive issue which is under this UDS concept.
I will explain the difference. There are different types of US uninformed search algorithm, right? Like BFS, DFS, UCS, IDS. BFS is known as depth first algorithm. Defines such as the finding the shallowest first solution, and then the depth first solution is known as low cost solution.
No problem.
Then ideas is known as iterative deepening search is known as complete solution like BFS, but less memory search. Yeah.
So every algorithm has some limitations. Yes.
Now I'm going to take the ID part. Now, as Anushya said, BFS is the breadth search. Breadth in the sense top to bottom, which means it solves the problem in top and it will solve the problem step by step as it starts from the head node and it ends in the leaf node. It is BFS. Yes, BFS. And DFS is depth first algorithm. Depth in the sense it is a top to bottom, and BFS is left to right. It means it is similar to the length, which solves the algorithm parallelly, which left to right. And coming to UCFS is a uniform cost search algorithm. This uniform cost search algorithm runs with the weighted graph. Which weighted graph? First we will start from the minimum weight and we will go to the larger weight. So we can find the shortest path by using this. And IDFS is the limited depth first algorithm. It is we can easily find the minimum path which can be easily solved. So according to this four thing, we can easily solve the problem by using the AI is IDFS. IDFS is one of the efficient way.
So now I'm going to talk about evolve. So in uninformed search algorithm, the evolve means the gradual improvement of strategies to make the to handle the problems more efficiently. So likewise we have techniques like the depth first search, which goes very deep, but it also lacks lacks finding solutions, and we have breadth first search. It is a systematics, but it uses heavy memory. By combining this both of this strength of the techniques, we use iterative deepening and depth limited search. This makes the problem completeness, and we also have the techniques of uniform cost search, which introduces cost awareness for handling the optimal cost solutions. And by this we evolve step-by-step evaluation source, how ununiformed informed search improves from basic explorations to more reliable and efficient.
Okay, so after all these phases, what we have to do is we have to design a prototype. So what prototype means? So basically prototype means designing an idea or plan that we have visualized. So basically in uninformed search, we have to create a path for solving our problem. So as we have seen, there are 4 types of uninformed search: BFS, DFS, IDS and UCS. So in BFS, breadth first search, for example, let's consider various floors, each floor having various doors. So in BFS, what it does is, it explores each door in a floor before going to the next floor. And in DFS, it selects a door, it moves through until the last floor is reached, and it also explores other floors similarly. In UCS, cost search, it goes to the cheapest door first, so that it is more reliable. And in IDS, it is a mixture of both breadth first search and DFS. So basically it goes to the summary, because it is combined with both DFS and BFS. So it will be more reliable and more efficient.
So right at the end of this session, I conclude that there are 4 kind of algorithms: BFS, DFS, UCS and IDFS. Considering the different factors, completeness, then complexity, then speed, considering these factors, IDFS is best for the remaining 3. Yes. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.